Welcome to another Puzzle Buddies adventure. Today, Onezy will guide us through the world of math, from addition and subtraction to multiplication and division. Math is fun with Onezy.
Yay, an apple. Oh look, another one.
How many apples does Onezy have now?
That's right. 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Onezy built a tower with 5 blocks. Oh no, 1 block falls down. How many blocks are left?
Five minus 1 equals 4.
Onezy loves balloons. He has to. Then 2 more. And 2 more. How many in total?
That's 6 balloons. And that's multiplication. 3 times 2 equals 6.
Onezy wants to share 8 cookies with 4 friends. How many does each friend get?
Each friend gets 2 cookies. 8 divided by 4 equals 2.
Great job, everyone! Today we learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with Puzzle Buddies. Math is fun when we learn together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.